Hey you, hold on a sec. Come check out my YouTube video. My name's Scott Smith with Drive Your Passion. I'm also a sales consultant at Bridge City Chrysler in Lethbridge, Alberta, Canada. And what I do on YouTube here is review mainly Chrysler vehicles, because that's what I do sell. But I want to help you through the buying process so it's much easier for you to decide what you want. And I want to do some how-to tutorials. For example, if you were to buy a Jeep Wrangler, you're not quite sure how to take the top off, I want to be able to have you research my channel, and it'll show you step by step on how to remove that hardtop. I just finished a video on how to navigate yourself through the new Uconnect 4C on a 2019 Dodge Ram Rebel. So please check out Drive Your Passion, check out the videos I have on there, give them a like, comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel so you can keep up to date with all the new videos coming out, because I'm going to be releasing a lot of how-to tutorials, like I said, and reviews, so there's a lot of good stuff to come. So thank you for your support, and if you have any questions, you can contact me through my Facebook page at Drive Your Passion with Scott Smith, or you can even call or text me on my cell at 403-634-7344. Thanks everyone.